National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a special marine warning for Charlotte Harbor and Pine Island Sound. Coastal waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Tampa Bay waters. Waters from Bonita Beach to Englewood, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Englewood to Tarpon Springs, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:45 a.m. At 6:46 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Hillsborough Bay to 25 nautical miles southwest of Manasota Key to 54 nautical miles west of Captiva, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to nearly 50 knots.
Waterspouts.
Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make your location and wearing life jackets. Expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots, suddenly higher waves, frequent lightning, and heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include Teresita Bay, Englewood, Longboat Key, Venice Inlet, M4 Reef, Cockroach Bay, Siesta Key, M17 Reef, Big Sarasota Pass, M5 Reef, Port Manatee Reef, Tampa Bay, Hillsborough Bay, Sarasota Bay Heart Reef, Gasparilla Island, M6 Reef, M15 Reef, M9 Reef, Manasota Key and Sanibel. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Now for the official